There's been insane amount of crows swarming my neighborhood. That's like kind of the last of them, and a bunch of them went down the block, but they were filling up all the trees. I mean, this is nothing. This is nothing. Like, most of them already went by, and they were filling the whole sky, like, within view. Oh, a bunch of them are back up in the air. That's only a small fraction of them. That's a small fraction of them. There's so many more. I can hear them cawing all through the block in the neighborhood. It's only a little bit. That's just a tiny handful of them. It's nuts. Most of them moved down that way. It's like the birds. Holy cow. These are just the stragglers here. They've kind of been moving that way as a group. The mass of them is down that way, where you see them all in the air. But I mean, I can't even tell you how many there are. They're all in the trees. They're swarms and swarms and swarms of them. They just kept coming. I could not believe my eyes. I've seen some massive crow activity before, but this has got to be the most. It's too bad I can't really capture it.